Well, it cooled off yesterday afternoon, but still a warm afternoon. We're in the mid-70s to the low 80s. But that cooling is going to continue today, dropping us all the way back into the low to mid-70s, all the way back. Still pretty comfortable out there. Checking the shot there from our Queen Anne Tower cam. See some of the clouds that are spread over the area. We have onshore winds, plus the fact we have a little weak weather system trying to rotate into us this morning, but it's weakening as it tries to push onshore and inland, and not going to produce much once you get away from the coast, it doesn't look like. Out at the airport, a cloudy morning out there. Pretty quiet, though, overall. And you can see, looking at the satellite image, not much of a system out there. It's just kind of the remnants of one rotating out of this larger low out here, and that is kind of pushing in. And again, this is going to weaken as it pushes into Puget Sound, so not going to produce much. It's giving us some clouds today. Could give us a couple of sprinkles or showers. The place you're going to see some showers is going to be out along the coastal beaches and maybe parts of southwestern Washington. But over Puget Sound, you might see a sprinkle or a very, very light shower, just kind of spotty, and most places will probably get through the day dry today. We do have a partial eclipse of the moon coming up this evening, actually right at moonrise tonight. The eclipse actually starts at 7:33, but the moon doesn't rise officially till 7:51. But you're going to have to wait a little while for that to get up above the Cascades for most of Puget Sound, looking out there towards the southeast, which will kind of slow things up. Hits its maximum eclipse at 9:12 when it's going to be 93% in the shadow of the earth, so a pretty good eclipse overall, and it ends at around a little before 11. The main problem with this is going to be down fairly low on the horizon, only 12 degrees at its maximum. We're going to be seeing it probably because you have to look through more of the atmosphere, more possibly for clouds to get in the way, but definitely worth a look this evening. And looking at the weather forecast, temperature is pretty good. We'll be mostly in the mid to the 60s during the eclipse, so pretty comfortable to go out and take a look. You can see in terms of cloud cover, it's about a 60% chance of seeing some cloud cover around, but there is kind of a hole in the central sound where you might have a decent shot to take a look. Good air quality, so that'll help out a little bit as well. And then overall for today, we're going to turn partly sunny, be a slight chance of a spotty shower around Puget Sound, a much better chance out towards the coast and up in parts of the Olympic Peninsula. Tomorrow and on Saturday, partly sunny, chance of a few showers, mainly up to the north of Seattle and in the northern areas near the Canadian border. Slight chance of a thunderstorm near the Canadian border each day as well. As we head towards Sunday, though, some sunshine and into Monday, partly sunny, upper 60s and low 70s over the weekend. Look for showers to increase on Tuesday and see quite a few showers, maybe some steady rain on Wednesday.